So today's session is based on NLP, that is neuro-linguistic programming. Neuro-linguistic programming, as the name itself says, neuro, they are the neurons or the transmitters through which we internally communicate. Linguistic is the language that these neurons use to communicate internally. And programming is how we program the thoughts inside us. Okay, have you all been to a beach for any vacation? So all these experiences that you have shared, right? Whatever information you collected from around you, from your environment, this shapes your experience. Whatever experience we have in our life is either all of this or one of these. So if we are able to enhance our sensory acuity, we will be able to enhance the quality of experiences in our life. Now, if I say that I will again ask this question after 5 minutes, you all will start paying attention, isn't it? So we have to start working on our visual senses. And to enhance our visual senses, we have to start observing more. And when we say observing more, it has to be pure observation without adding any interpretation to it. This will help us to experience this life better and to find the extraordinaries in the ordinary stuff. Yes, even a tea can give you a divine experience when you start paying attention. That there is ecstasy in paying attention. So once you start paying attention, you may start noticing things, and that will enhance the experiences. So keep on checking your peripheral vision and keep on expanding it. Now these experiences ultimately are going to affect our internal communications. So from senses, we have to move on to the sensations. Now when we say sensations, sensations are the changes in our body which we have to observe in relation to any change in the external environment. And how we can use this in our workplace as well. The moment we are able to observe the changes in other person's physiology, we will be able to predict his behavior as well. And this will help us to calibrate better. Like salespeople use it a lot when they have to make an offer. Or if you are going for a negotiation with someone during the meeting, and if you find that physiological change that is showing something positive, which you can immediately identify that, yes, this is the right time I should make the offer. So looking for the extraordinaries will help to enhance the quality of living by improving our professional and personal relationships. First session is always the awareness session, and subsequent sessions are the intervention sessions where we will teach you. Like if I write on a cigarette box that cigarette smoking is injurious to health, is it going to help me? No. But still I have to write it, right? Because it will create an awareness. Now that is the first step. Now if I have created the awareness, then I can say that this is what you should do to stop smoking.
Yeah, so this was a very wonderful and relaxing session, Poonam. We have truly enjoyed it. So now as we are coming to the end of the session, I would like to thank you for this making us find the extraordinary in us. I hope we have learned this all and will apply them to our lives so that we now on changes our life and be better towards a positive change in our life. This session was more than its worth. So I hope that we all have got everything what we wanted from this session.